Let's talk about the best crypto mining sites. So look, this is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So if you're looking to make money from crypto mining, one of the best ways to start is by using a good mining site. There are several websites that let you mine crypto directly on your computer or your phone. All right? Now, one great site to begin with is called CryptoTab. Okay? It's simple to use. You can earn money right away. You could start without even needing any special equipment. All right? So, one step, okay, is to sign up to CryptoTab and download the browser. Okay? It looks like any other regular browser, but it mines crypto while you're online. And you can even earn more by sharing your link with friends and getting them to join. Okay? So step two is to keep the browser running while you browse the internet. Okay? So the more you use the browser, the more crypto you're gonna mine. And it works quietly in the background, so you won't even have to worry about it slowing you down. That's what's amazing. Step three is to withdraw your crypto once you've earned enough. Okay? Whatever that number is for you. CryptoTab makes it easy to send your earnings to your wallet. Okay? So you can watch your earnings basically grow, and you could keep using that site. Okay? You could see rewards come in as you keep using that site. All right? And by the way, if you're not one of the 100 million people already using crypto.com, download the app through my referral link, because we can both get rewarded in very nice ways.